its effects.
Okay.
1. Electric current and its effects.
Okay.
Electric current is the flow of electric charges, electrons, through a conductor, like a wire. This flow can cause heat, light, and magnetic effects. 2. Electric circuit. An electric circuit is a complete, closed loop through which electric current
Flow. It typically includes a power source, like a battery, wires, a switch, and a device, like a bulb. 3. Electric components and their symbols. These are the different parts of a circuit, such as batteries, switches, and bulbs, each represented by a unique symbol in a circuit diagram. 4. Circuit diagram. A circuit diagram is a simple drawing that uses symbols to show how the components of an electrical circuit are connected. 5. Potential difference. Also called voltage, potential difference is the push or pressure that makes electric current flow from a higher to a lower potential point, similar to how water flows downhill. 6. Conductors and insulators. Conductors are materials that let electricity flow through them easily, like copper, while insulators are materials that block the flow of electricity, like rubber or plastic. 7. Effects of electric current. When current flows, it can produce heat, light, or magnetic fields. These effects are used in many devices, such as bulbs, heaters, and speakers. 8. Heating effect of electric current. When current passes through a wire, the wire gets hot due to the resistance. The longer the current flows, and the higher the current or resistance, the more heat is produced. 9. Applications of heating effect of electric current. This effect is used to generate heat in appliances like toasters, electric irons, and room heaters by converting electrical energy into heat energy. 10. Electrical heating appliances. These are devices like electric kettles and hair dryers that use the heating effect to work. They contain a special wire called a heating element, often made of nichrome, which gets very hot when current passes through it. 11. Electric bulb. An old-style electric bulb works by passing current through a very thin wire called a filament, which heats up so much that it glows brightly, producing light. 12. Electric fuse. A fuse is a safety device with a thin wire that is designed to melt and break the circuit if the current becomes too high, protecting other parts of the circuit and preventing fires. 13. Magnetic effect of electric current. When an electric current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around it. This was discovered by Hans Christian Ørsted and is the principle behind electromagnets. 14. Solenoid. A solenoid is a coil of wire wound in many loops. When current flows through it, it acts like a bar magnet with a north and south pole. 15. Electromagnet. An electromagnet is created by wrapping a coil of wire, like a solenoid, around a piece of iron. It acts as a magnet only when current is flowing through the wire. 16. Uses of electromagnet. Electromagnets are used in many devices, including electric bells, loudspeakers, and large cranes used to lift heavy metal objects. 17. Electric bell. An electric bell uses the magnetic effect to create sound. It has an electromagnet that pulls a small hammer back and forth to strike a bell. And 18. Working of electric bell. When the switch is on, the electromagnet pulls a hammer, which strikes a gong. This also breaks the circuit, the electromagnet turns off, and a spring pulls the hammer back. This process repeats rapidly, causing the bell to ring continuously.